What's up guys, welcome to my channel again. Here is your host Edis. Today I'm coming to share with you how you can edit your audio in kinemaster. Yes, in kinemaster. Maybe you have your personal video but the audio is so bad and you want to edit it in kinemaster. I will share with you a few tricks that you need to know. So please subscribe to the channel, like and comment so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first person to get it. So let's get to the video. So what you have to do first is to upload the video which you want to edit the audio in the editing bench. So please click on the media, and I want to add my own video. I don't want to use any one video, the video that you have been watching every day on YouTube. I have to add the same video here so you will get the understand clearly. So let's go to my recording. Okay, let me add it. Okay, I have it here. Okay, I have my video here. Okay, yes. Okay, let's edit our audio in this video. So first thing, I have to separate the audio from the video, which is by going to the extract audio. So I have to extract it. Yes, I have extract the audio from the video. Yes, so I have to edit the audio. So what I have to do is to go to mixer, and maybe you want the audio to be louder. What you have to do is to control this one. If you want it to be louder, then you bring it up. Maybe you want it to be small. You don't want it to be disturbed. You don't want it to disturb all your whilst talking. Then you bring it down to maybe 15 or 12, 14, yeah, thereabouts. Yes, but if you want it to be normal, then you bring it to 100 or let's say 120 or something. Yeah, so here we have left and right. Maybe when you're using the earpiece, that's where you experience this. Sometimes you hear that the audio is playing in the left side of your ears. Yes, or it is playing in the right side of your ears. So that's how it is. So here you can control it. If you want it to be playing in the left side of the person's ear or the right side of the person's ear, you can control it by bringing it here or bringing it here. Yes, if you want it to be normal, then you bring it to the center of the ruler. And if you want it to be bold, please, you can control it by using the pitch. It will be tiny or it will be bold. So by this one, you can control it by this one. It will be like this. Let me play it for you to hear. Okay, let me play it. On the speaker, then you cancel the music. That's it. Yeah, that's how it is. So let's go back again. Let's go to so if you want it to be bold, then you bring it here, then play. Let me play it and let you.
Okay, so after that, play it.
Okay, so that's how it is. So please, if you want to change how your audio is, you can use the envelope. Sometimes you hear that if music is the video is playing, but in a moment of time it will be small, and after that it will raise up. Yeah, when it is time for the characters, especially in movies, when it's time for the characters to speak or to make a conversation, you hear that the music is down. Yeah, this plays, we call it volume envelope. Yeah, so this place, you can click on this place. Yeah, this thing, volume envelope. That's where you would so here you will control how it will be. So maybe I want this place to let me go back here. Yeah, let's say I want this place to, the volume should be low. Yeah, I want this place volume should to be low. So what I have to do is to click on it and go to this place, go here. Okay, let's say this place, and I click on it again and make another dot here, okay, and bring the volume down, bring it down. Okay, the volume is 26, I want it to be 20. Okay, it's 20. Okay. And come here to and make another dot. Okay, by clicking on the 100% or by clicking on the plus. Yes, so bring the volume down again to 20. Okay, after that play it and let's see. Okay, let's play it.
Let me add it. It is in green screen. It is in green screen.
Have you hear
Yes,
it?
here is it.
So the volume is down. The volume is down. You can make it to, you can let it to be let's say 5% or 10%. It depends on you. Because this one is stereo, I have to make it normal. So let's go to the other one. So here you can use the equalizer. If you want your volume to sound like pop or R&B or rock or treble booster, treble producer, voice. Yeah, it depends on you how quality it will be. That's how they have named it, equalizer. You have normal AM radio, bass booster, bass producer, hip hop, and many more. So you can choose what you want it to be. So you have jazz. Yes. So let's go back. I don't want to change anything here. Let's go back. Let's go to reverb. Yeah, reverb. So here you can change it to bathroom. That's the echo and the reverb. So let me change the one. Let me change it to bathroom.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I am coming to show you how you can add a YouTube subscribe button to your videos.
Okay, that's how it is in reverb. Yeah, it will change how the sound look like. So when you go to church, let's play it.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I am coming to show you how you can add a YouTube subscribe button.
Okay, so that's how that plays. We have echo room, we have hall delay, spring reverb, you have studio. This one it will make it louder. Studio one. So let's click it.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I am coming to show you how.
Mostly I use studio. Yes, so that's how it is. And let's come to loop. Loop is if your video is longer than your audio and you want it to fit. You don't want it to be like 90-40. No, you want it to be fit. So let's say your video is longer than your audio. What you have to do is to click on loop and click on loop to the end. Because my video and my audio is fixed, I don't want to change it, but I have to do it so that you will understand what I mean. Yeah, so let me duplicate it. Okay, I have duplicated. So now I want my video and my audio to fit, so to be at the same level. So what I have to do is to click on loop to the end. Yes, loop to the end. So it will add the audio together so that it will be at the end of your video. Yes, so as I showed you, so darken is something different. I don't know how it is, but I will show you. If you know how it works, please you can comment in the comment section below so that we all learn. But darken, I really don't know how it works, so please forgive me about this one. I think I have shown you everything that you need to know but in this video. So that's how it is. So Please, if you really enjoy these videos, subscribe to this channel, like and comment, so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first person to get it. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please comment in the comment section below so that I will know how my viewers and my subscribers are looking up to me, like learning from me. So please, thank you for watching this video. See you next time.